Hey, Marianne back here with the Six-Figure Mastermind. Today, we're going to teach you the things that you might not know you're even doing wrong and how to use social media to connect with your customers. So stay tuned. So we're talking about how to connect with your customers through social media, and you might be surprised at some things you could be overlooking in your business. Maybe you've set up your social media, you've set up your splash pages, you've set up your Facebook pages, you've set up your Instagram account, you're putting content on there every once in a while. But if you don't have all the key components of this formula, if you're even missing just one of them, good luck. Your business isn't going to go very far. So I'm going to give you the 3 C's for mastering business connection on social media. Here's the first one: content. You have got to have content consistently posted online. You've got to have quality content that gets pushed out to your customers that actually adds value to their world. You know, you've seen all over Instagram, I'm sure, just the random people that are pushing up inspirational this and motivational that. I mean, that's great and we like all that and it's positive to have on our feed, but is it something your clients can walk away with and use as a tool to improve whatever it is that you're helping them improve? That's the question. People value content that adds value to their life, okay? They're walking away with content that makes them behave differently and makes them improve. One of my favorite content producers produces content on Facebook and gives tips and tricks in organization. Just 2 days ago, she posted on how to organize your filing system. Then yesterday, she said, here's a quick tip for how to clean out all the extra binders in your life, okay? This is real content that I find valuable that I can then take home and use. So ensure that your content is quality. That's the first C. The second C is this: consistency. I don't care how great your content is. If you're not consistent on social media, you're not getting seen. I mean, I hate to break it to you, but that's the solid truth there. Social media is all about what's trending, it's all about what's current, and it's all about what's new and fresh. So the secret formula to producing consistently is to produce between 2 and 4 posts a day on whatever media platform you're using. And you can say, Marianne, doesn't that take a lot of time? Well, it takes as much time as it's going to take, but do you want clients or do you not want clients? Okay? In order for you to be getting clients and to be capturing leads, you need to be top-notch in their mind, meaning first thing they think of when they go online. You want to be the guy when they go online and they see your name that they think, oh my gosh, I'm so glad that this person posted again. I can't wait to get all the value I can from this person's post. That's how you want to appear in their minds, and you've got to be producing content consistently in order to do that. So if you've got an Instagram post, you've got to be posting between 2 and 4 times a day. If you've got a Facebook, you've got to be producing between 2 and 4 times a day. That's how you're going to be consistently seen. Some people will work with you on an instant basis, but typically people need to see you between 2 and 7 times before they even decide if they're going to take a chance in working with you. And if you want to take that to take months, fine, good luck. But if you want to have them have between 2 and 7 touches within a few days, even better. That's what we call a hot market. So be producing content consistently. Here's key number 3, and this is honestly where most people drop the ball. Maybe they have great content, maybe they're even producing it consistently, but they're lacking connection. Here's what I mean by connection. You know, if you've seen Gary Vee on YouTube, he's a great connection producer, and he talks about this $1.80 rule. And basically this $1.80 rule means this: you're going to leave your 2 cents on 90 posts in a week. 90, does that feel like a lot? Well, maybe, but do you want to be connected, or do you want to be this unattainable, untouchable, unmatchable guru that no one feels like they can connect with? They don't feel you on their page. They're not interacting with you on a daily basis. That connection is what's killing your business. The lack of connection is killing your business. You want to be out there commenting on people's posts, leaving feedback. That counts as content, by the way. Leaving feedback on people's posts, leaving a comment that's more than 3 words long. Go to Instagram and be looking for hashtags that are relevant to you and interacting with people. Not only is this going to give you clients, but it also could create a joint venture. And a joint venture could grow your list by double or even more overnight. I mean, literally overnight, if you create a solid joint venture with a really reputable joint venture partner, okay? So again, the 3 C's: content, be producing quality, consistently be producing between 2 and 4 posts every single day, and create connection. Comment on other people's posts, not just fake bot-style comments. Be actually reading, consuming, and giving back with your posts. If you've got the 3 C's of social media use for your business, you're going to be growing at a rate faster than ever. Hey, thanks for watching today. Hit the subscribe button below and be sure and ring the bell so you get notified whenever I produce a new video for you. And if you want to learn how to work with me in building your 6-figure business, go ahead and check out the link in the description and I'll be connected with you right away.